My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 288. In this lecture, we will try to understand weighted KNN, that is weighted K nearest neighborhood algorithm. Till now, we have seen simple KNN, that is simple K nearest neighborhood algorithm. There is an extension to simple KNN that is called weighted KNN. Therefore, weighted KNN is an extension for simple KNN. Let's assume all of red points. Just observe this particular data set. Here I have red points. Let's assume all of the red points here are negative points, or let me assume they belongs to negative points. They belongs to class 0. Let me say negative points. Let it be class 0. Let's assume here you have blue points. Let's assume these blue points are positive points. Positive points. And let's say its class is class 1. Let it be class 1. Now, if I have my query point, what is my query point? Let me say this is my query point xq. Now, if I have my query point, this yellow point, let me assume this yellow point as my query point. Let me assume this is my xq. xq means what? Query point. I want to find what is yq. Given xq, let me try to find what is its corresponding label or class. I will repeat. I want to find what is yq for this xq. What its class means, I am interested in finding class of xq. That's what I want to determine. So now what did we do typically in simple KNN? What is the logic in simple KNN? Let's assume we are doing 5 nearest neighbor, NN, 5NN. Let me say it's 5NN, which means in the KNN, my K is 5. What is the nearest point here? For this particular point, for this query point, let me say this is query point. For this particular query point, as we are considering K equal to 5, let me say this is my XQ. Let me repeat, I need 5 nearest neighbors. Now what happens? There are, just see, this is, let me say, this is my first nearest neighbor. Let me say, this is my second nearest neighbor. Let me say, this is my third nearest neighbor. Let me say, this is my fourth nearest neighbor. This is my fifth nearest neighbor. What happens? How many positive points are there and how many negative points? As we are assuming that this red crosses are negative points, therefore there are 2 negative points. Why? Because what is the reason? We are treating these negative points as red points as negative points. It has got 2 negative points as neighborhoods, and there are 3 positive points. 3 blue points, isn't it? Therefore, what is the majority voting? According to majority voting, 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, I can treat as 3 is greater than 2. I can say your YQ is positive, isn't it? It is simple KNN. YQ is also positive. That's how we determined in simple K nearest neighborhood algorithm. But shouldn't we give importance to this point, my first point? My first point is very nearer to the other points. It must have got, we must give some sort of importance to this point. Why? Because it is closer than other points. Given xq, let me say, given xq means query point, what are the neighbors? Let me write xq's neighbor. Let me say my first neighbor is x1. This is my x1. This is my xq. This is first nearest neighbor. What about my second nearest neighbor? This is x2 is second nearest neighbor. What is my third nearest neighbor? Let me assume x3 is my third nearest neighbor. Let me say x4 is my fourth nearest neighbor. Let me assume, let it be, x5 is my fifth nearest neighbors. All these are neighbors for my query point xq. What is the label for x1? For x1, corresponding label is y1. For x2, corresponding label is y2. In similar manner, for x3, corresponding label is y3. This corresponding label is y4. For x5, corresponding label is y5. Let me say for xq to x1, let me assume this is distance d1. This is distance, means distance between xq and x1. This one let me assume d1. In similar manner, distance between xq and x2, let me say d2. In similar manner, distance between xq and x3 is d3. In similar manner, distance between xq and x4 is d4. This distance between my query point and x5 is d5. Let it be. Here y1, y2, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 are labels. And let assume the distances between, as I told you, d1, d2, d3, d4, d5 are distances. Let's assume my d1 is very small. This is my first nearest neighbor. Let me say my d1 is, let it be 0.1. My d2 is 0.2. My d3 is, let it be 1.0. My d4 is 2.0. My d5 is 4. What does it mean? I am assuming the distances. I am assuming d1 is 0.1, d2 is 0.2, d3 is 1.0, d4 is 2.0, and let it be d5 is 4.0. Now one thing you notice here, for xq means that is my query point. For xq, x1 is very close. How do you know? I am assuming 0.1 distance, isn't it? For xq, x1 is very close as compared to x5. Just say we are assuming distance between xq and x1 is 0.1, and we are assuming distance between x1 and xq is 4.0. What does it mean? Your x1 is very closer to xq compared to the distance between xq and x5. Let me redraw it once. Let me say like this. This is my x1. x1 is my first nearest neighbor for my query point xq. For xq, let me assume x1 is my first nearest neighbor and y1 is its corresponding label. Let me say d1 is the distance. Let me assume the distance d1 is 0.1. What is its label? Its label is negative label, isn't it? This is my x1, red color. In similar manner, let me say x2. This is my x2. What is its corresponding label? Its corresponding label is y2. Let me assume its corresponding distance is 0.2. As it is negative, as it is red point, it must have negative sign. Let me say x3, isn't it? This is my xq as usual, isn't it? This is my x3. Distance between xq and x3 is, let me say label is y3, corresponding distance is d3, and distance, let it be 1.0. My x3 is blue cross, therefore it must be a positive one. In similar manner, what about x4? For x4, my y4 is corresponding label, d4 is distance, let it be 2.0. As this x4 is blue point, it must be a positive one. In similar manner, my x5 and corresponding label is y5 and distance is d5. Let's distance is 4.0. Your x5 is its label is positive, isn't it? Now what are we doing now? For xq, x1 and x2, are much closer, much closer than x3 comma x4 and x5. Just observe this carefully. Just see this one. What does it mean? These distances, compare these distances, 1.0, 2.0, 4.0. These distances are little bit bigger than these distances, isn't it? So that I can say for xq, x1 and x2 are much closer than x3 and x3 comma x4 and x5. These are the distances, 0.1, 0.2, isn't it? This point 1.0, 2.0, 4.0, these distances are much larger than first two distances, that is 0.1 and 0.2, isn't it? Therefore, shouldn't I must give more importance. I must give more importance. I must give more importance. To whom? I must give more importance to points based on how far, based on distance, based on distance. Based on distance means those points which are very closer to my query point must get preference. Isn't it? Those points which are far away from my query point, they must not get preferred, isn't it? That's the whole intuition. Behind weighted KNN. Weighted KNN intuition is you have to work with this particular weighted KNN depending on distance. Means for those points which are very closer to my query point must have larger weight, more weight, isn't it? We give a weight to each of the neighbors. Neighbors are x1 is neighbor, x2 is neighbor, x3 is neighbor, x4 is neighbor, x5 is neighbor. We have to give weightage to all the neighbors. But how one can give weightage? I must give weightage depending their proximity, depending their closeness. If some point is very close to my query point, they must get high weightage. Given my xq, let's assume x1 is my nearest neighbor, isn't it? This my x1 is, that's what this distance says. 0.1 means what? It is nearest neighbor. Let me draw it again. Let me rewrite it. Otherwise, let me say this is my query point xq. For my xq, what are the neighbors? x1 is neighbor, x2 is neighbor, x3 is neighbor, x4 is neighbor, x5 is neighbor, isn't it? What is the label for x1? As I told you, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. As the red point means it has got negative sign. x2, again x2 is a red point, let me say negative sign. x3 blue point, positive sign. x4 blue point, positive sign. x5 blue point, positive sign. Let me assume what are the distances. d1 is 0.1, d2 is 0.2, this is 0.3, sorry, 0.1, 0.2. What we assumed, this must be, I think, let me write, it is 0.1, 0.2, let it be 1.0, let it be 0.5. What about last distance? Last distance is 0.1, 0.2. Yes. Let me rewrite once. Actually, let me take same distances which we considered in previous discussion. Let me say this is 0.1, 0.2. This is 1.0. This is 2.0. Let me say this is 4 point. These are the distances which we assumed. Now these are my DIs. D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, isn't it? Now, given xq, this is my xq. Given xq, I want to decide what is yq. Given xq, I want to decide what is yq, what is its corresponding label. When I decide what YQ should be, I want to give more weightage to the points, isn't it? I want to give, let me write, I want to give more weightage. I want to give more weightage, more weightage to the points, more weightage to the points, more weightage to the points that are closer, isn't it? That's what weighted KNN basically. So I can use one main scheme, which is basically, if I say WI, weight, W means weight, is equal to 1 by DI. What does it mean? My W1 is equal to 1 by D1. What is my W2? 1 by D2, isn't it? Let's assume I just say this. This is one way of giving a weight. This is one way. There are many ways. We will learn many more ways throughout machine learning. If I say this, what happens? As my distance DI increases, my weight WI decreases, isn't it? Otherwise I can say my distance DI, as my distance DI decreases, my weight WI increases. What does it mean? They have got inverse relationship. That's what is the relationship here. If my distance is 0.1, what is distance? D1 equal to, let me say D1 equal to 0.1. What is my W1? 1 by 0.1. 1 by 0.1 means what? It is 10. Therefore, my corresponding weight is 10. In similar manner, 1 by 0.2. What is my, this is W1. How will I get W2? W2 equal to 1 by D2. What is my D2? 1 by 0.2. 1 by 0.2 means what will you get? You will get 5. Let me say W2. In similar manner, I can calculate 1 by 1. This is W3. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 by 4 means 0.25. W1, W2, W3, this is W4, this is W5. Anybody can understand. Simple formula. What is my formula? Wi equal to 1 by Di. It is simple and straightforward. I want to give more weightage to the first point. What is the reason? I want to give more weightage to the first point because it is much closer. Just see, what is the distance? 0.1. What is the distance between xq and x1? 0.1. Therefore, it is much closer compared to x2, x3, x4, x5. Therefore, I want to give more weightage to my first point, first nearest neighbor, that is x1. Now, I have got weights. What is the strategy for giving weights? I have inverse relationship. What is the relationship between weights and distances? That is inverse relationship. This is only one way of doing it. There are many ways. The rule should be as distance increases, weight should decrease. When distance decreases, weight should increase. There are many functions to achieve this, but this is the simplest function. Inverse function is one of the simplest function. Now, what I will do? First, take all the negative points. What are the negative points here? My x1, x2 are negative points, isn't it? First, take all the negative points. That is x1, x2 are the negative points. What is the sum of the weights of these negative points? What is the weight corresponding to x1? That is 10. What is the weight corresponding to x2? That is 5. These are two negative points whose corresponding weights is 10, 5. Therefore, 10 plus 5 means it must be 15. And sum of the weights of all the positive points. What are the positive points? These are positive points. What are the weights here? 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25. That is essentially 1.75, isn't it? I will say here, what is the distance? What is the weight? 15 is greater than 1.75, isn't it? If you add the weights of negative points, you are getting much more than positive points. Therefore, I can decide from this, I can conclude your YQ is equal to YQ is negative. What is the reason? Reason is simple and straightforward. Negative points weight is 15, which has got more weight. Therefore, I can assign your corresponding label to XQ. Our YQ must be negative. If I use simple majority vote, my YQ would have been positive. Why? Because 3 positive points, 2 negative points. According to majority vote, your YQ, I will repeat. If I use simple majority vote, my YQ would have been positive because 3 of its nearest neighbors are positive. X3, X4, majority voting, isn't it? But if I am using weighted KNN, where I am giving weight inversely proportional to the distance, because my weight is 1 by distance, that's what it says, Wi equal 1 by di. If I use this formula, weight equal to 1 by distance, there are many formulas, but this is the simplest formula, isn't it? Wi equal to 1 by di is the simplest formula. This is the simplest one that we are using. If I use weighted KNN such that weight equal to 1 by distance of the point to query point, to XQ, isn't it? If I do here, I do declare that class label, my class label YQ is negative. What is the reason? Your 15 is greater than 1.75. Such strategy is called weighted K nearest neighborhood algorithm. Just see this one. This strategy is simple strategy. W equal 1 by di is I can say it is the simplest weight function that we are using. There are many weight functions that we can design. I promise you that we will see lots of weight functions as we learn lot of techniques, but this is simplest one. When we apply this, the class label has changed from positive to negative, because I am giving more weight to the points which are very close to my query point XQ. This is simple and straightforward technique. Just go through this lecture so that I will spend time on. There is an important concept known as, there is a diagram known as Voronoi diagram. This diagram, I will discuss about this particular diagram, how this diagram is related to KNN in my next lecture, that is in lecture number 289. We will try to understand. Thank you very much.